I will promise to you that how I treat Edward since the beginning, I will treat him like that forever.
Maymay, mahal kita kasi you don't believe that you're beautiful. Therefore, I think it's my responsibility to tell you every day that you are.
Mahal kita kasi kasi ikaw yung pinakamalaking blessing na binigay sa akin ni Lord.